anybody have specific and articulate facts of a crime to lead to a car frisk or a arrest? Because they need that in order to arrest us, and there is none. There is no specific and articulate facts of a crime to lead to a car frisk or an arrest. There's nothing. You guys don't have it, because it doesn't exist, because we're not criminals. No, but when the officers started getting scary, I locked the doors.
You locked the doors. And you stayed in your car for half an hour, is that right?
Begging them for due process, absolutely. But I would not give due process and look up the code.
Did you resist arrest?
In no way, shape, or form did I resist arrest. That's why Officer B told me I could leave with identification.
When they pulled you out of the vehicle, did you resist what they were trying to ask you to do?
Absolutely not.
Did you resist their commands?
Absolutely not. Officer B said I may leave with identification.
Are you resisting right there? Their commands?
I'm asking them what they're doing.
How many officers does it take is holding you down right there? Are there four
I'm
officers
seeing them all
there?
have their hands off me, so I'm seeing 4 around me, but I'm not seeing 4 pushing on me at all. I'm seeing
Are
1.
there 4 officers right there?
There's 4 officers standing around me, but they're not
And this is
pushing on
after
me.
you being in the car for 30 minutes, is that correct?
Begging for due process, absolutely.
On the back of my license, on the back of the car, that was written down.
Saw some numbers on a piece of paper.
Do you know what those numbers are?
Nope.
Do you know the law?
Yes.
Apparently not.
Do you know what the term jurisprudence means?
I've heard
Objection
some
or
of the.
relevance, Your Honor? Sustained.
Was I forcefully trying to get away?
No, you was being removed from the vehicle because you wouldn't get out.
I was not forcefully trying to get away. Is that resisting of arrest for not forcefully trying to get away?
Yeah, your actions was still resisting arrest.
Officer, no, you're saying that you do not know what the code the code that was affixed to the vehicle means, which means that you might have violated the law.
Objection, calls for legal.
Okay.
Sustained.
You don't know what the law means then on that code.
Objection, sustained.
Okay. When you were in the hallway, and you were talking to an officer, did you assume facts not in evidence about my state of mind, my beliefs?
Objection, calls for legal conclusion.
Yeah.
Did I what now?
Did you assume facts that were not in evidence concerning my state of mind and my beliefs? Saying that I believe something about,
He said no.
okay. Well, clearly we've got an issue in the truth there.
Objection.
No specific and articulable facts of a crime that I have committed. The Secretary of State, the UCC office told me over an hour that I have the right to claim my natural rights as a human being under common law, under God's law, which is the jurisdiction under a UCC remedy, which I did inform the police before all this, that they do not recognize the law, even though the code says any conflicting code is invalid. We do not understand how we could be arrested with no crime or no due process. There is no injured party. I'm an extremely law-abiding citizen. I'm a peaceful man. I do not have any history of crimes nor violence under me. I'm completely vegetarian. I won't even kill an animal to eat it. I believe that I love all sentient human beings and all sentient beings on this land, God's creatures. I believe there has been no crime taking place and that there are conflicting laws here.
No legal cause of action whatsoever to ever order a car frisk. There's no crime, and there was no legal cause of action whatsoever to order an arrest. If you'll notice, there's no crime, and there's no specific and articulate facts ever given to us about a crime, because there was no crime. It's very important to note that we spent a long time learning the law, and that we're law lovers, and we actually are trying to be lawyers. There are two different conflicting laws, and it has definitely injured us at this point. Your Honor, not to resist arrest, to be safe because we were afraid, because we were not having due process, and we kept asking for a half an hour. And we were saying, please, go and read the code.